What's the difference between a probate lawyer, an estate lawyer, and a probate litigation lawyer? There are three primary types of lawyers who work within estate law: probate lawyers, estate lawyers, and probate litigation lawyers. And while they all work in the same area of law, probate lawyers generally handle the probate process after an individual passes, while estate lawyers help living clients set up wills, trusts, and other estate planning documents before they pass. And probate litigation lawyers handle the disputes that arise from the creation or administration of an estate. If you have questions, take a look at our website, rmolawyers.com, to schedule a free consult. What is a probate lawyer? A probate lawyer helps an executor or administrator to administer an estate after someone dies. In some situations, a probate lawyer may simply serve in an advisory capacity, while in others, they'll take a more active role in actually administering the estate. It all depends on your needs. Your role and the role of your probate lawyer are going to depend, at least in part, on whether the decedent left a will or not. So what if there is a will? When someone dies testate, meaning they left a will, a probate lawyer is going to counsel the executor of the estate on various legal matters. Depending on the complexity of the estate and the terms of the will, a probate lawyer is also going to perform some tasks like lodging the will with the local probate court, preparing and filing probate court documents, helping to identify and secure the decedent's assets, helping to obtain appraisals for the decedent's real and personal property, helping to determine the estate's debts and negotiate their payment, as well as helping to manage the estate's finances. What if there is no will? When someone dies without a will, they're considered to have died intestate. If this occurs, the deceased property is going to be distributed according to the state's intestacy laws, even if the result would be contrary to what the deceased might have wanted while they were alive. Intestacy laws can be complicated, particularly in community property or quasi-community property states like California. In situations like this, it's really helpful to have a probate lawyer assist whoever's administering the estate secure appointment. The probate attorney is also going to help advise that administrator on how the assets are going to be distributed under the state intestacy laws, as well as help with the administration process, including the same tasks that you would undertake in a testate estate. What's an estate lawyer? An estate lawyer generally is a legal professional who assists people in preparing documents and planning their affairs to ensure that the administration of their estate goes smoothly, essentially that everything's in order so the assets go to whom they want them to. Estate lawyers ensure that a client has documented their wishes so that they may be carried out after they pass, including through wills and trusts. They also advise people on how to save money on inheritance taxes and probate costs, what types of trusts or other structures are best for them, and other legal matters related to estates. What's a probate litigation attorney? Probate litigation attorneys are lawyers that represent clients in contested probate court proceedings to resolve disputes such as will and trust contests, breaches of fiduciary duty by executors and trustees, and contested personal representative appointments. And if those matters cannot be resolved, to take those matters to trial. While a solid estate plan can help the probate process go smoothly or possibly even avoid it entirely, all too often disputes arise that lead to lawsuits. Probate litigation attorneys help heirs, beneficiaries, executors, administrators, trustees, and creditors navigate the complicated probate litigation process to help secure the best possible outcome for their case. If you're involved in a conflict regarding the administration of a trust or an estate, or if you believe a will, codicil, trust, or amendment was the product of fraud, undue influence, incapacity, or financial elder abuse, you should contact a probate litigation attorney as soon as possible. Probate litigation involves specific probate and civil procedure rules that must be followed in order to succeed. So it's essential that you retain an attorney with an intimate knowledge of the probate litigation process and the probate courts, rather than a probate attorney or an estate attorney. Have questions? Give us a call or email anytime to schedule a free consultation. At RMO, we protect people like you every day. Thanks for watching.